All right, everyone. Now let's try to understand the deployment architecture of Dell PowerFlex software-defined storage. PowerFlex is very flexible. It allows organization to deploy infrastructure in three different ways depending on the workload requirements. These architectures are independent architecture, also called two-layer architecture. Next one is hyperconverged architecture, which is a single layer hyperconverged infra. Then next one is mixed architecture, combination of both. Now let's try to understand each one very clearly. First, the independent architecture, also known as the two-layer architecture. In this model, you can see on the screenshot, compute and storage are separated into different nodes. Some servers act only as storage nodes. These nodes provide storage capacity and host datasets. Other servers act only as compute nodes, which runs applications and workloads. So storage and compute are independent layers here. Okay, so the biggest advantage here is independent scaling. If we need more storage, you add storage nodes only. If we need more compute, then we can add more compute nodes. This architecture is very useful for high performance databases, mission critical applications that require predictable performance. Okay, it can also reduce software licensing cost because not every node needs full compute resource, right? A few examples are OpenShift environments on PowerFlex, which typically uses two-layer architecture. Now, let's move to the hyperconverged architecture. In this design, each node performs both roles. Every node contributes, okay, storage resource, compute resource. So application and storage run on the same server. When we add a node, we automatically increase both storage and compute capacity. This makes scaling very simple and uniform. Hyperconverged infrastructure architecture is ideal for data center consolidation in real time. Then we can use this for general virtualization workloads. This is used in private cloud environments because it uses a predefined building block approach, which adds nodes get more resource instantly. Now the third option, mixed architecture. This is a combination of the two previous model. In the same PowerFlex cluster, we can have storage only nodes, compute only nodes, hyperconverged nodes, all work together. This provides maximum flexibility. Okay, so that organization often choose this method recently. Okay, so they already have existing compute infrastructure. If they want to gradually adopt software defined storage, then they need different architecture for different workloads, right? So here legacy applications may run on compute only connected to storage nodes. New application may run on hyperconverged node. And this approach is also useful when migrating external workloads into PowerFlex over the time. So in simple terms, if you are selecting independent architecture, separate compute and storage layers. If you are selecting hyperconverged, which combines compute and storage in single node, then mixed combination of both for flexibility, that is independent and hyperconverged. So PowerFlex supports all three, which is why it is considered highly flexible compared to traditional architectures.